Are you looking for a gentle, effective way to get moving without stressing your joints? Well, you've come to the right place, because today I'll be guiding you through easy to follow steps on the rebounder. Let's get started and let's feel good together, all right? We want good posture. Remember, you're soften your knees. That means you're bending them just a little bit. Engage that core. Bring your hips in just a little bit like you're doing a pelvic tilt. Relax the shoulders. Let's go. With a walk. Let's go. We have about 10 steps in level 1. And then my next video will be level 2, so stay tuned for that. Let's just walk. Move your arms. Breathe. Let's go. Get our workout in. Now, health bounce. Baby bounce. Pushing down on the mat. Just kind of get used to the mat if you are brand new. All right, let's get that off of there. Health bounce. Now, push down with the arms and up. Now out to the side. Good. Down and up and to the side. Now step touch. Third step. Step touch. Let's go. Swing your arms. Keep it going. Music will start. Step touch. Let's go. And give me that smile. You can move around if you feel comfortable. If not, just stay in the center. Step touch. Now heel digs, number 4. Heel digs to the front and heel digs to the corner. Front. And corners. You're pushing down on the mat. Good. Back to the front. Swing your arms now. I usually do a count of 8 corners. Front. Just getting that lymphatic system moving. Now corners. Getting the heart rate up a little bit, not too much. All right. Now step in and out. Out, out, and in. Leading with one leg, doesn't matter. Right leg, left leg. These are all grounded moves. Now switch to the other side. And you can move your arms. Like I said, this is level 1. Basic beginner steps. let's go to number 6, and that is going to be step up and back. Step up and back. Now you might want to try it without music and go a little bit slower. All right, switch to the other side, up and back. Because this music is just a little bit fast. Up and back. Good. Switch again. Up and back. Up and back. Switch to the other side. Other leg. Now we're going to do a push back. Stay in the center and just push the leg back. Got it? Push back. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Slow it down a minute and squeeze as you push back. Then you're going to go to the next one, which is a glute kick. Number 8. Kick. Kick back. Kick. Remind yourself to really pull that belly button up and in. And you can use your arms once you get the feel of the mat on this one. And you can pull your arms back, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Good. All right, rock it out. All right, somebody's working outside. Hopefully that's not bothering you. Let's go to number 9. And that's going to be knee up. Now, of course, always remember, if you have a stability bar, you're brand new, and you need it for balance, hold on to the stability bar with one hand, or both if you need it. As you get familiar, you're starting with 2 to 5 minutes a day, maybe about 3 times a week. You'll be able to, say in a couple months, to not even use a bar. Good. All right, you're going to start to feel it. Now repeater. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other side. This is working on balance and coordination. Good. That was number 9. Number 10 is going to be a shift, double, shift to the side. Double and double. Double, double. Now singles. Shift, pushing down. This is a beginner level 1. And we are finishing up. Go back to doubles. Arm variations can be out and single. Remember, you have soft knees. You don't want to lock those knees. Add a little personality. Go back to walking. And that is it for today. Walk. And finish up. Catch your breath. Blow it out. Don't forget now, level 2 is coming up. Don't forget level 2. All right? And stay tuned. See you next time. Oh, you know what to do, right? Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share and comment below what's your favorite step. See you next time. Bye.